Right, hold on. Shit, I missed that bit. Missed it restarting. Right, it just restarts anyway, it gets to about 70% and restarts. I knew that was going to happen. I knew it was going to happen. Typical, as soon as I turned away for a drink. Well, I can't do it again, can I? Right, hold on. Right. Where am I? Settings. System information. Right, fingers crossed. There we go. That's it, excellent. Just a kick in the arse off a 320 gig. Alright. Nice one. Anybody get any questions? I'll just ask somebody that knows, alright. I just done what I done. Alright, it should be easy enough. Now, I'm going to go and put that other screw in. I'm going to switch it off and put that other screw back in. It's easy enough. Right, see if I can do it. You can do it. Alright, now hold on, I'll show you what you need. No, hold on. Try this. I can put a hard drive in, but I can't get a bloody disc out. Right. Go. There we go. Excellent, that's that working. Loading. Good so far. Start. Sign in. One. Right, good, it's getting everything. Right, so that's all you need. Right. Everything's got everything. That's all you need. PS3 Slim. Right. That's where it went in the side. Right. Hard disk bracket. Right, make sure it says, what does it say? Right, I can't focus this. There you go. Make sure it's the 400X series. Alright, and a hard drive. Where did I get a hard drive for? Oh, a hard drive for eBay, right? Hard drive was for Turtle Trading, right? 30 quid or something for 320 gig. Wine, obviously. And a manual for the bracket, right? Manual tells you where to put the screws. If you want to know where to put the screws, tells you where to put the screws and how to put it in. Alright. Right, I'm waiting to finish the rest of my wine. I've had probably 2.5 glasses and I'm starting to feel it, so I'll see you later. Any questions, let me know.